Facing problems is a natural part of student life. It's how we approach them that matters. When challenges arise, remember to stay calm and analyze the situation before acting. Seeking help from teachers, peers, or online resources can provide valuable insights. Developing a systematic approach to problem solving can enhance your skills and confidence. Remember, mistakes are opportunities to learn and grow. Embrace them with a positive mindset. Stay persistent and resilient in the face of challenges. Each obstacle overcome is a step forward. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small. Acknowledge your progress and efforts. By honing your problem-solving skills, you equip yourself for future success and growth. Embrace challenges as opportunities to showcase your abilities and creativity. Remember, every problem solved is a chance to learn and become better prepared for the future.